Sydney in Pontiac wants to know, my grandma has a hearing aid that often makes a high-pitched squealing noise. What causes that? How do you stop it? Sydney, do you mean like this? That is my hearing aid whistling, or what we call feedback. So most of our patients and viewers know I wear hearing devices. I have since I was 10 years old, so very familiar with feedback and the high-pitched squealing noise. Very annoying. So I understand why it's an important question to ask and address. And it happens when the amplified sound from the hearing aid kind of escapes back out of the ear canal, jumps back into the hearing aid microphone, and gets re-amplified. There are a few different things that can cause feedback. Some of those things are normal. If your hearing aid is out of your ear but powered on, since the sound has nowhere to really go but out, it might whistle or make that sound, and that's fine. If you get really close to something, like I demonstrated when my hand got really close to the microphone, or maybe if you're giving somebody a hug, your ear gets close to the other person's head or their shoulder, and the microphone then might make a little bit of a squeal. And that's completely normal. There are some examples of feedback that could indicate more of a problem with either your hearing aids or your ear that need to be addressed. One of the more common causes of feedback is earwax buildup in the ear canal. So if your ear canal is blocked with wax, the sound from the hearing aid can't get through. So again, it's escaping back out of the hearing aid, creating that feedback. The resolution for that is going to be getting your ears cleaned out. Another example is going to be a poor fit of the hearing device. If they're not fitting the ear canal appropriately and not creating a good seal, that sound from the hearing aid, again, is not staying in the ear canal and it's maybe leaking back out, creating the feedback. Some hearing aids have like a thick tubing that needs to be changed about every 6 months because it starts to get hard. When it starts to get hard, it might make the hearing aid produce more feedback. And there can be some issues with the microphones on hearing aids if they get dislodged. So don't worry if your hearing aid is doing this. That can be a normal reaction from the hearing device. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's broken. If it is something happening more consistently, just make sure you get back into your audiologist to have it checked out. Hope that helps. If you have more questions, let us know. I'm Dr. Sara Hanley at Bloomington-Normal Audiology, and we are here for you.